Okay, this will be some example of this capacitive touch switch on the doors. Here I have this capacitive touch switch and some load. For the load I use some light bulb, but instead of using some light bulb you can also use some ventilator or something similar. But the point is that this capacitive touch switch is connected to the door. So when I touch this door handle, the light will turn on, like so. And if I repeat, if I touch the door handle one more time, the light will turn off, like so. So actually, if I open the door, the light or the ventilator will start to run. Really nice. So what is really special by this design is that the capacitive touch switch is not directly connected to this door handle, because the capacitive touch switch is connected to this. And because all the parts are in metal, mostly, the metal will conduct the capacity of your hand, and for this reason the light or some ventilator will turn off and on. Very nice. So actually what is needed to make this system is you only need some tiny wire which is connected from this one to this capacitive touch switch, so that the capacitive touch switch sensor and the load can be in same place, and then only you need two wires. One wire will be for the voltage of 230 volts and another, some tiny wire, will go to this one. And like I said before, because our parts are in metal, the metal will conduct the capacity of your hand. And that's it. So that's it for now, and we see us in the next video. Bye.